All Manipur Press Association AMPA appealed to the officials of Board of Secondary Education Manipur Bosem to issue the order for printing school textbooks at the earliest so that they can be made available in time for the academic sessions 2026. The appeal was raised by AMPA President YK Dhiren during the association's 54th Foundation Day held today at the Manipur Press Club. Expressing concern, Dhiren stated that Bosem has not yet issued a printing order for textbooks for classes 1 to 10, which could lead to a shortage of textbooks in the upcoming academic session. He also stressed AMPA's continued involvement in various social and economic issues of the state and highlighted its contributions to local development. Dhiren further emphasized the importance of collaboration between government officials and members of the printing industry to strengthen the sector. He noted that local printing firms would benefit significantly if government departments and private organizations place printing orders within the state instead of outsourcing to firms outside Manipur. He also informed that AMPA has already communicated its concerns to the Bosem chairman and secretary, urging them to issue the textbook printing order without delay. The program was attended by Wangkai AC MLA Thangzam Arun Kumar, Bosem Chairman Akam Joy Kumar, Secretary S. Jitelal Sharma, and AMJU President Asem Bhakta. A 2026 annual calendar was also released as part of the event.
No, class 1 the 10 for textbook key number key orders speed up. Perigino Harakanda Board of Secondary Education Manipur da C like the with the number of Mokanda or a Kaduriba Pibum Sing Si and Kanda all Manipur Press Sing Mikey appeal to high river Siuji Larikaman number Ibasi Eco Yam Drabada Eco 30 days the Changani Anna Hosik November last week or Kadore second week or she Maraksida Huji Power the print order Pidana Thambazina on the Lakaduribu 2026 the I school gi mahiro sing sida ekoi textbook phang da bagi samasama amna sauna mayok nar kani hai bagi ki bu do khoi leijai